There's something I learned the hard way, and once you start doing it, your street shots will instantly look better. This is a part of a new series of quick tips, short, focused, and actually useful. So let's jump in. I know it's been a while since my last upload. Apart from being unwell, I've been working on a few bigger projects behind the scenes. Starting today, you'll see these quick midweek tips in between my usual longer videos. And my next deep dive, it's a quirky street photography exploration of a town that really surprised me. That's coming soon. I was out in the much loved town of Brighton, shooting in bright sunlight, when I spotted this guy. Older gent, really well dressed. As you can see, the light was great. I lifted the camera, framed it quickly, and took the shot. But when I looked at it later, there was a pole sticking straight out of his head, a big street sign straight behind him, and two people leaving a shop in the background. I'd been so focused on him, I completely missed what was happening behind him. So here's the habit you need to build. Before you press the shutter, check your background. Not just the subject, the whole scene. Is anything growing out of someone's head? Are there distracting signs or people pulling attention away from your subject? Street photography is messy by nature, and that's part of its charm. But just being aware of what's behind your subject means you can often take a small step or time it better and make the photo feel much stronger. You might be thinking, I'll fix it in editing, but removing background clutter isn't really street photography, and healing tools won't fix bad timing or awkward overlaps. The best street shots are built in the moment, not saved in Lightroom. But you might just get lucky like I did later on. The photography gods were apparently on my side that day. I spotted the same guy again later, sitting on a bench alone on the seafront, and managed to grab a couple of cleaner shots. So next time you see a great subject, don't just hit the shutter. Pause, check the background. If your frame is clean, the shot feels stronger, more intentional, and more cinematic. I've got more of these mini tips coming soon, so just keep an eye out. And if you want to take things further, check out my video on how to capture cinematic street photos. Until we meet again, go forth and create.